Hi guys, they were taking a quick look at the new software update PlayStation have just released for their PS Portal. This is a massive game changer as this update now allows the device to cloud stream games, as previously the Portal only supported remote play, which meant you had to have your PS5 powered on or in standby mode to play on it, making functionality quite limiting. So to test this out, you'll need to have a PlayStation Plus premium membership to be part of the beta testing for cloud streaming. Setting this up is really easy. When you turn on your Portal, you'll be asked if you want to install the latest software. Just download and install it. It takes around 10 minutes to update and install, and make sure you have at least 50% of the battery capacity before doing this. Once installed, you'll have to sign in to your PlayStation account. You can do this by scanning in the QR code via the PSN app on your mobile. Next, to enable the functionality, go to the quick menu, select settings, and you'll see a cloud streaming beta option. Turn it on to enable, as it's off by default. Then, looking in the interface, you'll be presented with two icons. The first is for remote play, which is the existing functionality, and the second, which is a new option for cloud streaming, and you can slide between the two options. By selecting cloud streaming, you'll be presented with all the games that can be streamed, with there being over 120 available. To play a game, just select it and you'll have to wait about 20 to 30 seconds for the game to load. Gaming wise, you're able to stream at up to a maximum resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second. You even get the DualSense wireless controller features, so haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, motion sensor, speakers, and the touchpad, which is emulated on the touchscreen of the PS Portal. Cloud streaming utilizes PlayStation Plus cloud storage to save data and game progress, with you able to store up to 100 gigs, which is automatically synced to your PS5 console, making it easy to switch seamlessly between local and streaming gameplay. Internet connection wise, for the cloud streaming session, you'll need a minimum of 5 megabits per second of upload and download speeds, but to stream at 720p, you'll need a minimum of 7 megabits per second, and to stream at 1080p, you'll need a minimum of 13 megabits per second. I've tested with a number of games, and seriously, the performance is pretty impressive with this. And if you're wondering, I've got a 1 gig internet connection at home, so at that speed, it's no surprise that it's going to be good. Negatives wise, you'll still be limited by your internet connection, so if that's poor, then the experience isn't going to be great. Plus, you'll need a PlayStation Plus premium subscription, and you still can't play games locally, which would have been great in a situation where there's no internet available. But nevertheless, it's pretty awesome to see the functionality on this device increasing, making it an even more worthwhile purchase. If you're after more details on the PS Portal, check out my full review. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this cloud streaming update. Have you tried it yet? Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.